Good afternoon, my name is Florence McAtee, and my capstone was to study the behavior of DTN routing protocols employing message priorities. My client is Professor Jeffrey Shea from the Naval Postgraduate, and my advisor is Dr. Satya Narayana. So DTN stands for Delay Tolerant Network, but sometimes it's referred to as Disrupted Tolerant Network. DTN is a way to communicate without the support of an infrastructure. These types of scenarios are present in instances of disaster recovery, military exercises, and any situation where infrastructure is not available. The network architecture consists of mobile devices that are not constantly connected, which leads to delayed delivery and disrupted communication. Epidemic and profit are a couple of ways to communicate in DTN environments, but prioritization of messages has never been implemented in any of the proposed DTN routing protocols. Also, performance evaluations for treating messages differently according to their priority has never been conducted, although DTN2, which is the latest DTN standard, defines a way of giving priority to messages created. Treating high priority messages with more importance has life-saving benefits during disasters like the Haiti earthquake in January of 2010. As part of the Haiti relief efforts, the deployment of hastily formed networks team, HFN for short, from the Naval Postgraduate School, provided communication. Message prioritization was not implemented in this deployment, but this is a good example when treating different types of messages according to the need becomes the difference between saving a life or not. Messages about medical rescue can be given more importance than messages about individual locations. Both messages are important, but one requires a shorter time of delivery to its destination. So my solution is to study the performance of DTN routing protocols in order to recommend efficient application of message prioritization. The goal is to find out how messages of the highest importance can be relayed faster than low or medium priority messages in any given situation. The milestones for the study was first to implement message prioritization in a DTN simulation tool called Opportunistic Network Emulator, ONE for short. Once the extension of the software was completed, simulations were conducted, and analysis of the results led to the recommendations of how to use the priorities best for a given scenario. Along with my advisor, Dr. Narayana, and my client, Professor Shea, a technical paper discussing the study was submitted and submitted to the Military Communications Conference. It's currently under review, and we hope to get accepted so that we may present the paper during the conference in October. My resources include, of course, Dr. Narayana, my fellow students, and the previous studies on DTNs. During the course of my capstone, I learned better time management, more networking protocols, the hardship of changing someone else's software, and how conducting research can lead to more research, and it could be a never-ending effort. A big thank you to everyone that supported me during my capstone and my stay at Csumb. Special thanks to Satya for being a great mentor, and Mitchell, my dear husband, and my family. If you're interested in seeing the results, please visit me in room 160. Thank you for coming to our capstone festival.